Namaste. Today we will learn how to construct quadrilateral where two diagonals and three sides are given. So let us do problems from exercise 4.2. Construct the following quadrilateral LIFT where LI is 4 cm, IF equal to 3 cm, TL equal to 2.5 cm, LF is 4.5 and IT equal to 4 cm. Let us first draw a rough figure. LIFT is a quadrilateral. LIFT. LI is 4 cm, IF is 3 cm, TL is this 2.5 cm, LF is 4.5 and IT is 4 cm. Let us take this as the base. So we will draw a line with 3 cm length. This is 3 cm IF. After that, check this figure. You can see this is base. We have this measurement and this measurement. That is, for this triangle, you have all the three measurements. So it is easy for us to construct that. Here, if we are that is this triangle. If we are considering this one, we have this length and this length but don't have this one. So we will take this one first because we have all the three measurements. So this is IF. Next we need IL. After that FL. Okay, we have that measurement 4 and this is 4.5. This is 4 cm. Let us draw an arc from here. Next is LF 4.5. This is 4.5. Keep here and now let us join this intersecting point to I and F with scale. Using scale you can join. We will get like this. This LIF triangle. Now next we have LT is 2.5. That is to here it is 2.5 and also IT is 4. IT is 4. We have this measurement and this measurement. Now let us take that. LT is 2.5. We will take 2.5 in the compass and draw an arc from here. Next is IT 4. We will take IT 4 and draw another arc T. So we will mark this point as T. Now join with scale LT and also join IT. We got like this. Now it is easy for us to join TF. We don't want any measurement. We can just simply join it TF. This is the given quadrilateral LIFT. Next quadrilateral is gold. That is GOLD. Here OL is 7.5 cm, GL is 6 cm, GD is 6 cm, LD is 5 and OD is 10. So first we will construct a rough figure GOLD. Let us name this GOLD. Here we have GL is 6 cm, OL is 7.5, GD is 6, LD is 5 and OD is another diagonal 10. This triangle, you can see OLD, we have this side, this diagonal and this side. So we are going to construct that. Don't take this first because in that we don't know this measurement. That we can draw in the end. Now we will construct this triangle, that is OLD. For that we need to draw the base OL, 7.5 OL. Next is OD. OD is 10 cm. So take the measurement in compass and draw an arc 10 cm. This is 10 cm. Draw an arc from here. Next is LD, that is 5. Again take 5 cm in compass. Draw another arc. This intersecting point is D. Now you can join this OD and OL with scale. Using scale you can join it OD and OL. This is 5 and this is 10. Now we got the triangle OLD. Next we have GD length and LG. So GD is 6 centimeter. We can take 6 centimeter in compass and draw an arc from here. This is 6 centimeter. Next is GL, that is 6 centimeter. Again 6 centimeter. So GL, keep here on L and draw. Now this is the intersecting point G. Now we can join this GL. This is 6 centimeter. Also GD is 6 centimeter. Now we have GO. We have no measurement GO, but still we can join it. Now we got the quadrilateral GOLD. Next is rhombus, BEND. Rhombus, BEND. In rhombus, all the 4 sides are equal. Here it is given BN equal to 5.6 centimeter and DE equal to 6.5 centimeter. Let us draw a rough figure BEND, rhombus. This is a rough figure of BEND. We have BN, it is a diagonal 5.6, also DE, that is 6.5. These are the diagonals. Here the sides are not given, only the diagonals of this rhombus. But we know a property of the diagonal of a rhombus. That is, rhombus diagonals are perpendicular bisectors to each other. That is, here we have 90 degree. Also, it will be bisectors. That is, this length and this length will be equal. So, first we will draw a diagonal BN. Let this be BN. After that, we can find the midpoint of it, that is bisector of it. So, to find a bisector or midpoint, we know take more than half measurement in compass and draw arc on upper side and lower side. Here also, from here also you will take more than half and draw 2 arcs here. After that, join it. This point will be the midpoint. Though they bisect at 90 degrees. Here we took BN as 6.5 centimeter. Now here we have DE. That is, this BN is this. Now we need to draw this DE. That is 6.5. This is the bisector. So you want to take the half of 6.5. 6.5 half is 3.25. You will draw an arc here taking measurement 3.25 and here 3.25. Then join it. You will get the rhombus. So let us draw it. First we will draw the measurement BN. It is a diagonal. So BN is 5.6. This is BN 5.6 measurement. After that we will find the midpoint of it. For that we will keep here on N. Take more than half measurement and draw arc on upper side and lower side. Next, keep it on B, then draw another arc on upper side and lower side. Now join this, you will get the midpoint. This is the midpoint here. Now on this line, that is the another diagonal. On this diagonal, we will take 3.25 because it is the half of 6.5. The total length of this diagonal is 6.5. We need half of it, then only we can mark the arcs. So we will take 3.25 in compass. This is the measurement 3.25. We will draw an arc here on upper side and lower side. This is 3.25 on both sides. This measurement is 3.25. This measurement also 3.25. Now next is join this to each side. We will mark E here and D here. So we got BEND rhombus with given 2 diagonals.